This is 28th paper discussion, botany paper. 31st question. What would happen if a gene encoding a polypeptide 50 amino acids? Amino acids 50 amino acids coded by 50 codons. But point is, when 25th codon is mutated from UAC to UAG. So if 25th codon is mutated, means that polypeptide chain has 24 amino acids. That is question number 31. Then 32. Number of amino acids possessed by polypeptide which is formed from mRNA containing 200 codons in a translated area. So 32 question, 200 codons. If there are 200 codons, how many amino acids means? 199 amino acids, because there are 199 functional codons and a 200th codon is a terminating codon. That is why the chain has 199 amino acids. Question number 33. A protein chain with 10 amino acids. Protein chain with the 10 amino acids contains how many peptide bonds? Actually, between two amino acids. Between two amino acids, one peptide bond. One peptide bond. So 10 amino acids means how many peptide bonds? Means 9 peptide bonds. Question number 33. Next, question number 34. Maximum number of codons in a singlet and a doublet code respectively. If nitrogen bases arranged in singlet, only 4 codons are formed. If nitrogen bases arranged in doublet, 16 codons formed. How 16 codons means? UU, then UC, UA, UG. The next one CU, CC, CA and CG. Third one AU, AC, AA, AG. Fourth one GU, GC, GA, GG. So minimum number of codons 4, maximum number of codons 16 when genetic code is singlet and a doublet. Next, 35th question. Maximum number of types of codons. 35. Maximum number of types of codons. Coding for 20 amino acids. So 20 types of amino acids coded by 61 codons. Next, codon is a triplet of nucleotide that code for one amino acid. One codon specify one amino acid. Next, question number 37. Number of start codons. Generally, number of start codon 1. Start codon or initiating codon 1. And the number of stop codons 3. UAA, UAG, UGA. 3. So start codon 1, then a stop codons 3. So 4. 3. Question number 38. Number of ATP, GTP required for the formation of polypeptide with 40 amino acids. Each amino acid is activated by 1 ATP. So 40 amino acids means 40 ATP required. What about GTP? GTP means for first amino acid only 1 GTP is required. First amino acid only 1 GTP is required because first amino acid directly enter into P site. Second amino acid onwards, second amino acid enter into that A site for that 1 GTP. From A site it is shifted to P site for that 1 GTP. So second amino acid onwards, 1 ATP, 2 GTP required. So 40 amino acids means 40 ATP and 79 GTP is required. Question number 39. Maximum and minimum number of hydrogen bonds maximum and minimum number of hydrogen bonds existing between codon on mRNA and anticodon on tRNA. So minimum number of codons, minimum number of hydrogen bonds. If adenine is codon, anticodon is uracil. So minimum number of hydrogen bonds between codons and anticodons 6. If guanine or cytosine is a codon, then how many hydrogen bonds means 9 hydrogen bonds are required. So minimum number of hydrogen bonds 6, maximum number of hydrogen bonds 9. Number 40, ratio between purines and pyrimidines present in stop codons. Stop codons 3, UAA, UAG, UGA. So in each stop codons there are 2 purines and 1 pyrimidine. So ratio is 2:1. That is question 40. Then question number 41. Number of hydrogen bonds formed between anticodon of initiator tRNA and initiator codon on mRNA. Actually, AUG is a initiating codon present on mRNA, and for that initiating codon, what terminating codon present on tRNA means UAC. So between adenine uracil 2, uracil adenine 2, guanine cytosine 3 hydrogen bonds present. So between codon of initiating amino acid and its anticodon is 7 hydrogen bonds. 42 question. If a polypeptide chain has 150 amino acids, number of nitrogen bases present in that translating region. So 158 amino acids. 158 amino acids means coded by 158 codons. Then each codon has 3 nucleotides. So 158 into 3, 474 nitrogen bases. But there is one terminating codon. This terminating codon has 3 nucleotides. So 477 nitrogen bases required. This is question number 42. The next one is 43. The codon present at 3 end of mRNA. Generally 3 end of mRNA. 5 end initiating codon is present. Then 3 end terminating codons present. Either UAA or UAG or UGA. So here 43rd question, UAG terminating codon which is present at 3 end of mRNA. If a polypeptide chain, 44 question, if polypeptide chain has 100 amino acids, what is the minimum number of nucleotides in translated region of mRNA? So 100 amino acids means actually 101 codons required. 100 functional codon, 1 terminating codon. Each codon specify 3 nucleotides. So 101 into 3. 303 that nitrogen bases. That is question number 44. Then question number 45. If there are 600 codons present on translated region of mRNA, 600 codons, total how many amino acids are coded to that mRNA? So 600 codons. Actually 600 codons means in that 599 functional codons, 1 terminating codon. So 599 functional codons means 599 amino acids.